How to delete your fruit in Blox Fruits. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So here's how you can get rid of the fruit in Blox Fruits. The first thing you can do is you can unequip a fruit. That means removing it from your character. If you've eaten a fruit and have it equipped, go to the Remove Blox Fruit NPC and you can find them in the prison, first sea, or Castle on the Sea, that is third sea. Pay 50,000 belly and confirm. This will unequip the fruit, allowing you to swim safely. And this only unequips the fruit, but if you brought a permanent fruit with Robux, it won't be deleted. You can also drop a sort of fruit if you haven't eaten yet. If the fruit is in your inventory but not equipped, you can drop it. Press backspace on PC or select drop on the mobile or controller and then store it. Equip the fruit, select store from the menu, and the fruit will be removed or moved from your inventory to your stored items. You can also try retrieving a stored fruit. To take a stored fruit back out of its storage, you must be in the second or the third sea, and you need to be level 700 plus and have completed the deactivate quest to get there. Go to your items menu and click on unstore next to the fruit. You can't drop a fruit once it's stored until you unstore it in the third or the second sea. This prevents accidental loss or unfair trades. These methods will help you manage your inventory, so good luck finding legendary items, and let me know if you need help finding the NPC or reaching the second sea. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.